Well, good morning. So here are the stocks that will be in focus today. Let's start off with an IPO listing. Now, Aether Industries is expected to list today. The company had come out with an IPO with a size of around 808 crores. The issue price was 642 and it was subscribed 6.2 times. Now, the next stock on our radar is Ultratech Cement. The board has approved a capex of around 12,900 crores. Now, this will add around 22.6 MTPA capacity in its total production. Now, the company will be raising capacity by brownfield as well as greenfield expansion. The investment will be funded through a mix of debt as well as internal accruals. Deepak Nitrite will be the next stock in focus. A fire had broken out at its GIDC plants in Vadodara. 7 people have been hospitalized after the incident. Now, this is an important asset for the company. The combined expanded capacity it has of around 78,000 metric tons per annum. Now, 65 products as well as 41 raw materials were highlighted as being produced and handled there. Yes Bank's capital raising committee has approved and recommended to make a tender offer for repurchase in relation to the notes issued under the medium-term note program of the bank for an amount of about $200 million. Godrej Industries will also be in focus. It will be making a further investment in Godrej Capital Limited. Now, consequently, the company will now hold 92% of the total paid up share capital of Godrej Capital Limited. Now, we have some metal stocks on our radar with the likes of Hindalco, Vedanta, Hindustan Copper. Metal prices on the COMEX had actually soared on demand optimism from China as the country reopens. Copper jumped by around 5.2% in New York on Thursday, the most since September 2015. Now, if you remember, lockdown in China, the world's top copper consumer, had put significant pressure on metal prices. GR Infra Projects is the next stock on our radar. Now, its subsidiary has executed a concession agreement with NHAI on 2nd June. The bid project cost is around 1,577 crores. The next stock on our radar is Prudent Corporate. Now, the promoter has bought 4.25 lakh shares offered at 595.5 per share, which is around a 1% stake. The company was recently listed and offered shares at around 630 per share. Now, definitely the stock made a weak debut and the stock declined by 11%, and right now it continues to trade below its issue price. McDowell's Holding will also be in focus. It has approved appointment of Krishna Mohan Madula with effect from 31st May as the CFO of the company. Lastly, Varun Beverages will be in focus. It is the last day to buy Varun Beverages to be eligible for the bonus issue. So watch out for these stocks.